Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the task I have for the Capstone Iron Light for the term 4. So let me explain what's the requirements for these features. We They asked me to create interactive object, which means a platform need to move in any particular way. So I need to create a script which is a dynamic. It's a dynamic that can be used in any way, in any functionality, as long as it's a movement platform. All right, let me go through how many scripts I've done for these features. So I have a two script here, which is the interactive object and then the ray switch. The interactive object, this green box are the interactive platform. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Right? Each of these, see the hierarchy on hierarchy space here. So each of this interactive platform, I attach the script interactive object. So for example, for this one, this is the script, and then I drag the what we call the rack here, the public game object, and then the start and position. So what are these start and position? So this is the destination, target destination, and the start position. So let me scroll one of these. Okay, this game object. So this is the start and end position. So you can see here it projected the target destination, or the target of the movement, or the target, yeah, the target destination, I mean. So from here, start position at end on this projected box borderline color red. So each of these interactive platform, they have the script, right? And then there's a switch, which is the activate checkbox here, and then the movement speed. So when it trigger, the movement, it will be based from the speed movement. And then what kind of movement, what kind of loop type is it? Ping pong or once. Ping pong, similar in like it loop in non-stop looping, like the elevator. Then there's a once, which is once it once hit the target destination, and then the what we call the game object will be stopped and it will not move anyway. So yeah, how it trigger. So based on the collider, each of these uh, game object, they have box collider attached on it, and then the player, it has the ray switch. So the ray switch, this ray cast, it only trigger those uh, what we call the interactive platform, those it has a layer of interactive rack, right? So I filtered them, be only those layer has a tag interactive rec. So this ray switch, it will uh, trigger the script attached to this platform, right? Trigger and then activate this checkbox. So the switch is the raycast. So it will trigger this script and then activate the script. So that's the starts of the movement. So the once it's triggered and activated, the actions will be start. The movement actions will be start. So let me show you how it works here. So let me play the scene here. Obviously you will not see the raycast, it's invisible here, here in game mode. So when I move the player, see, if you see, there's a movement happens after I move the character in front of this interactive platform. So when I jump here, for example, I move the player a bit and it triggers the interactive object, right? So at the same time, the other game object at behind. So how about this one? This one is just like the switch press platform, like a switch. So the raycast it triggers like this one. Yeah, see. And the other one here is a moving platform like the elevator. So it moves. The loop type, it's ping pong, so non-stop. It once it hit the destination, it go back to the start position. And for the last one, here on the left side, when I trigger this, it goes, it starts to move and go to the target destination or end position. So once it hit the end position, it go back and travel back to the start position. So that's the whole concept for this interactive platform. So yeah, we have only two scripts for this. It's very dynamic and it can be used in any features or any mechanics in the game. So as long as we attach this script and then point where is the start and position of the movement. Yeah, so that's it. I think, yeah, I will create a separate video for the coding, for the program codes. How did I did the the movement? How did I do the what we call the public game object, and how did I call and trigger the raycast? Yeah, I will upload a separate video for that. So again, guys, thank you for watching this video and thanks a lot for your time. Alright, I have to end up this video. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, have a good one.